In case you didn't know, betting on the Fed is a thing because nothing makes Americans gather around the financial campfire quite like asking, are rates finally going down, or are we all just emotionally attached to suffering? Obviously, nobody can predict the future. We can't time the markets. Economists can't. Markets can't. Your uncle with the gold newsletter absolutely cannot. But now people are literally betting on it. This is Kalshi, a prediction market where people can buy contracts tied to real-world events, including what the Federal Reserve will do with interest rates. Kalshi describes itself as a federally regulated prediction market overseen by the CFTC. And right now, for the Fed's July 29th meeting, Kalshi traders are putting the highest odds on one outcome. The Fed does nothing. About 80% of people think that the Fed will just maintain rates. 21% think the Fed will hike rates by 25 basis points, and only 2% think that the Fed will cut by 25 basis points. This is not a forecast from the heavens. This is just where people are putting their money today. And today's Fed Minutes make this even juicier because officials were split at the last meeting. The Fed held rates steady in June at 3.5 to 3.75%. But the minutes showed some officials could imagine cuts if inflation cools, while others saw a case for hikes if inflation stays hot. So the Fed is basically saying we're data dependent, which is central bank language for maybe we don't know yet either. And that's why this is interesting. Prediction markets are not magic. They're not a crystal ball in a little Patagonia vest. But they do show us in real time what people think is most likely and what they're willing to risk money on. For consumers, this matters because Fed decisions ripple into credit cards, savings accounts, auto loans, adjustable mortgages, and eventually your monthly budget. So no, I am definitely not telling you to bet on the Fed. Please do not mortgage your well-being over a 25 basis point move. But watching these markets is a fascinating little window into what people think the economy is about to do next. Please subscribe if you enjoy stories like this.